Hey guys, I just want to drop a quick video on a homemade LS engine test run stand that I made. It's pretty versatile. You can put an engine and transmission on it in one direction. You can turn the engine in the opposite direction without the transmission and then add the front pieces to it. It's all bolt-on to make it run. But in a longer video, I'll take it apart. I'll show you how I made it, what went together to make it run. But in the meantime, let's give the 6-liter a test start. Gauges, fuel,